Welcome back to Adventure Crawling Off-Road in the Mclean Creek Trail Series. The first trail we are going to do is called Dragon's Back, which is one of 3 trails that will take you to the Top of the World Lookout. We rate this trail as an intermediate to difficult trail and is 5.2 kilometers to the Top of the World Lookout. The trail consists of a variety of mud holes and steep climbs with rock ledges. There are 3 entry points to the trail off the road, marker 48, 46, and 43, that quickly funnel into trail marker number 50. From trail marker 50, it quickly turns into a logging road, but takes you directly to trail marker 54, which is an intersecting truck trail.
So it looks like the trail turns into a logging road, which we'll have to follow a little bit and then jump onto the trail ahead.
You are going to continue going north to trail marker 56, which is going to head you in a southeast direction. The next trail marker you are going to hit will be marker 58. At this marker, the trail will progressively get steeper as you approach Dragon's Back. While you're climbing up the trail, keep your eye open for the bypass on the left. Once you see the bypass on the left, you are at the bottom of Dragon's Back.
Alright, so we're at kind of an intersection, so the bypass goes to the left up here. If you want to try and climb the rock ledges on what we call Dragon's Back, it's straight behind me, so we'll show you both directions.
The easiest way to make it up Dragon's Back is to stay on the right side of the trail and hug the right corner of the last ledge. Staying on the left will increase the difficulty if you're looking for a little bit more.
So you just saw us go up, I guess, the main trail for Dragon's Back, what we call Dragon's Back. There's a couple pretty good ledges, fairly technical to get up. So now I'm going to show you the bypass.
If you take the bypass, don't expect a cakewalk. The trail has many V-notches and washouts, making for some careful driving as you twist around the backside of Dragon's Back. At the top of Dragon's Back, there are a few good mud holes that will surprise you as you carry on to marker 72, where we are ending the trail at the top of the world lookout. Feet are soaked. Should have seen that one coming.
made it up to trail marker 72. So this is the section right before you get kind of up to what everyone calls top of the world.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel.